Hey guys, check out this gift knife. So this thing's pretty cool. Let me get it out of the package for you guys. It has a lot of different kind of nice things about it. So this right here can be either a bottle opener, or you can see it's got a little razor there. So if you need to like open a like a vacuum sealed carpet or something, then that would be good for that. Has a window breaker on this end right here. So if you ever need to smash something. And then bottle opener right here. This is also the main blade. So pretty nice big size blade on there, and it is pretty dang sharp, so rated on one side. Now let's keep looking over here. We will close this with the little lever here. And you can see that you have a couple different things here. So I'm not even sure what this technically is, but you've got that. Close that back up. And then those are basically the main benefits of this thing. You've got a flint and steel rod right here, so you can start a fire if you need to. Basically just got a lot of cool tools, and of course it's got the great engraving. Definitely check it out.
Did you know there's an easy way to get discount codes for most products on Amazon? I created a website, moderndeals.net, that has thousands of daily discount codes for Amazon. Let's take, for example, this hair dryer. Click the item on my site. The coupon will auto apply. Click add to cart, and there you go. The price dropped down to the discounted price. There's thousands of active codes every single day. You can also search for individual items, for example, a dash cam, and it'll show all the active codes for dash cams that day. I'll have a link to my discount site in the description and the pinned comment. Be sure to check it out and bookmark, and let's get back to the video.